In a land far, far away, there lived a little bunny named Benny. Benny was curious and loved to explore the Enchanted Forest. As the sun began to set, the forest turned into a magical place filled with twinkling lights and soft, glowing flowers. One peaceful evening, Benny decided to take a walk under the starry sky. The air was cool and fireflies danced around, lighting up the path.
As Benny hopped along, he heard familiar voices. He saw his friends, Lily the ladybug, Charlie the chipmunk, Fiona the fox, and Oliver the owl. "Hi, friends. What are you doing here at night?" asked Benny.
Hi, Benny. We're on a mission to find the magical animal sounds hidden in the forest, said Lily.
I heard they come alive at night, added Charlie.
Let's go on an adventure to find them together, suggested Fiona.
Great idea. I'll guide us from the sky, hooted Oliver as he flew above them. The friends walked through the forest, listening carefully to the sounds around them. They reached a sparkling river that looked even more magical at night, with the moon reflecting on the water like a giant silver coin.
"Listen, do you hear that? It's the sound of the river," said Benny.
The river goes whoosh, whoosh, observed Lily.
Let's follow the river. It might lead us to more animal sounds, suggested Oliver. Inside the cave, the friends found a beautiful enchanted garden. In the middle of the garden, there was a pond with a magical rainbow arching over it, even at night. The colors of the rainbow were soft and glowed in the dark.
Wow, it's beautiful.
They heard a gentle hooting sound.
"That's the sound of an owl. It goes hoot, hoot."
Then they heard a rustling in the bushes. S5. Hoot, hoot.
What animal makes that sound?
A cute little squirrel popped out, chattering away.
That's a squirrel. It goes chatter, chatter.
The friends walked further and heard a soft croaking sound by the pond.
What animal makes that sound?
They saw a frog sitting on a lily pad.
"That's a frog. It goes ribbit, ribbit."
Next to the moonflower, they found a small chest filled with sparkling gems and a note.
Oliver picked up the note and read it aloud. It says, "Animal sounds make the forest come alive. Cherish your friends, and you'll always hear the magic."
They danced and sang around the pond, celebrating their friendship and the magical animal sounds they had discovered.
"Animal sounds are the best treasure," they all shouted together.
After their celebration, Benny and his friends lay down on the soft grass, listening to the soothing sounds of the forest.
Oliver told them stories about the animals they had heard, and Lily sang a sweet lullaby. As they lay there, they felt the gentle breeze and heard the river's whoosh whoosh and the owl's hoot hoot from the trees.
The fireflies danced around them, creating a magical light show.
The friends slowly started to feel sleepy.
Benny yawned and snuggled close to his friends. "Good night, everyone." "This has been the best adventure ever," whispered Benny.
Good night, Benny. Sweet dreams, replied his friends.
And so Benny and his friends drifted off to sleep under the starry sky, dreaming of more magical adventures together. The end. Remember, dear children, the world is full of beautiful animal sounds, and the greatest treasure is the friends we make along the way. Sweet dreams.